Hey y'all, it's Lady C from Creative Studio, and today I want to share something that really surprised me, and it might surprise you too, especially if you're an Amazon Vine reviewer. And this can also refer to any other content creator as well. But I found out that one of my own Amazon Vine videos, yes, mine, my footage, was showing up in someone else's YouTube video. Now, some time ago, I had also uploaded this same footage to my YouTube channel and made it unlisted. So here's what happened. YouTube recently rolled out a new content detection feature inside of Creator Studio, and since my Creator Studio channel has access, I decided to turn that feature on. And that's how I discovered another video using about 10% of my footage. I'm thinking, wait, how? That video isn't even public. Turns out, YouTube's AI fingerprint system recognized my Amazon Vine footage because I had that same clip sitting unlisted on my channel. They're using my footage, this other creator, along with other clips from other creators. And mine just happens to be right at the very beginning of their video. Now, if someone grabs your footage and their video only has a handful of views, it's really not worth stressing over. You know, YouTube's got bigger fish to fry, and so do you. But keep your receipts, because if that same video ever starts getting any traction or making money, that's when you step in and handle it properly. Handle your business, as they would say, right? Now let's talk about how the system works. Here's the part you really need to understand. YouTube automatically creates a digital fingerprint for every upload, even private or unlisted videos. Then it scans the web looking for matches. So if someone takes your Amazon Vine footage and uploads it to their channel before you ever post it to YouTube, guess what? They become the first uploader, and the system assumes they own the rights. So when and if you finally upload your own copy later, YouTube might think you're the one using the other person's material. Crazy, right? And to fix it, you'd have to file a copyright dispute, prove it's yours, and wait for review. So who has time for all of that? Now let's talk about why it happens. You know, sometimes influencers or even the manufacturers reuse Amazon Vine footage to promote the product on their platforms. Other times, automated AI scrapers just grab everything under a brand name. Either way, your face, your voice, and your hard work could be showing up on someone else's page, and they're getting the credit. So, what to do? Here's how to protect yourself. Number one, always upload your videos to YouTube first. Make it private or unlisted if you don't want it public yet. Number two, add a quick watermark or intro slide with your brand. Number three, keep your raw files and Amazon Vine timestamps as proof of authorship. And number four, turn on content detection in YouTube Studio so you'll know right away if someone uses your work. So yeah, lesson learned. The internet moves fast, and AI moves even faster. Don't let somebody else get credit for your creativity. Upload first, protect your work, and keep building your brand the smart way. Leave your comments below if you have similar experiences. Lady C checking out, and I'll see you on the next one.